In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, blending images can add a creative touch that captures your audience's attention. Let's dive in and explore the steps you'll need to take to achieve this effect. First, let's head over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides, or click on the Google Slides icon from your Google Apps menu. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This ensures that all your work will be saved in your Google Drive, safe and sound, and easily accessible from any device. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to either click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or choose a pre-designed template if you're looking for a bit of initial structure. Templates can often save time and spark some fresh ideas, so don't hesitate to explore those if you're interested. With your new presentation open, it's time to bring in some images. Click on the Insert menu and select Image. You can choose to upload an image from your computer, search the web, or even access your photos directly from Google Drive. Once you've selected an image, click Insert and it will appear on your slide. Now position it where you like, next click on the image to select it. With the image selected, head up to the Format menu option at the top of your screen. When you click on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Format Options. A sidebar should pop up on the right of your screen with various adjustment tools. In the Format Options sidebar, find and click on Adjustments. Here, you'll see an option labelled Transparency, which allows you to change the opacity of your image. Move the slider to adjust the opacity to your liking. Lowering the opacity will let the background or other images show through, creating that blended look we're aiming for. Feel free to experiment with different opacity levels to see what works best with your presentation's design. Sometimes subtle adjustments can really make the other elements on your slide pop, giving them more focus or depth. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully blended an image in Google Slides. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to experiment and find the perfect settings for your presentation. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this tutorial inspired you to create something amazing. Until next time, happy presenting.